Sunny, hot day today. Temperature back in the 90s. Of course, working outside, you got to find ways to stay hydrated, find ways to stay cool. I'm sure those folks working at the City Center have been taking care of all that. That's a view from our 21C Museum Hotel, Kentucky One WeatherBug camera. And you're looking out there on what has been a good, hot, normal July summer day. So what we're looking at here, rest of the week, we're getting a break from the muggies. Technically, we've got one right now in Lexington. I'll show you why in a second. For the weekend, we're going to crank the heat back up again, along with the humidity. Barbasol week, we're trying to drive a front out of here. It's going to bring some rain at least for part of the week. We'll talk about all that coming up. All right, we've made 93 today. That's where we are at the moment. We should have a nice little fall tomorrow with temperatures down to normal mid-80s. Also a cut in the humidity. That will be the nice part. And then we warm it back up again as we head toward next Saturday. 93 Bluegrass Airport. Now the number that's interesting here is that our dew point has fallen to 63. So our humidity is only 37%. That also means that the heat index and the temperature are essentially equal. We are a pocket of dry air in Lexington compared to the surrounding areas, which is also interesting. So at least temporarily, we've mixed a little dry air down. The moment we've fallen into the upper 80s, Danville and Richmond, 88 each. Jackson's at 88, so is London for that matter. Somerset's 86. Hotter, though, in Frankfort, 91. We're hotter than Louisville, which is unusual. We're also looking at the mugginess now. Here is our pocket of dry. I mean, look at dew point only at 63. Richmond and Danville, it's a whole lot muggier. So hop down I-75 or go on down to Danville there, and the air feels vastly different. It's sticky. A little bit drier as we look to the northeast. When we're looking at our future track dew points, we'll start you off tomorrow morning. So again, we're starting off most of us muggy, but you see that dry. Dew points in the 50s. That's a good thing as we go through the day tomorrow. All right, you get some 70 dew points in southern Kentucky. It'll remain sticky. But most of us by the afternoon will be enjoying a much more comfortable brand of air. That works its way through Thursday as well when dew points hang around the low 60s. So yeah, it'll be hot, but it won't be really overly humid and a much more comfortable day. We have been tracking a couple of showers out here. They are not big. You've got them in Pulaski County over into McCreary County, a few of them over into Clay County as well. On the bigger picture, you see there is a line dropping south out of Indiana and Ohio. That is the cold front that is on the way. So Chris is a hurricane. We will look at it in more detail in a second. Stationary front, the same one that was in our area yesterday, remains to the south, blocking it from coming our way. So Chris is headed out into the Atlantic. Meanwhile, your cold front continues to drop southward as it approaches. We'll see some clouds, and a stray shower cannot be ruled out, and that's even into tomorrow morning. The chances will increase some tomorrow afternoon as the front pushes through southern Kentucky, but a lot of us will see a dry day as that big high pressure builds in. So Chris is spinning off the Carolina coast. It has become better organized as we've gone through the day today. Nice eye feature has developed. Category 1 storm now with winds of 85 miles per hour and headed to the northeast, and it'll be a fish storm. Clear to partly cloudy, a small rain risk tonight. We're in the upper 60s to around 70, and then mid 80s tomorrow, turning less humid in the afternoon. Look at Thursday and Friday. Sunshine, highs middle upper 80s. Humidity comes back when you see those lows back into the 70s. That's when it gets muggy. And unfortunately, thunderstorm chances as we get you into the Barbasol week.
Oh, well, that's all right. It'll cool us down at least a little bit. That's positive.
The theory.
Yes, that's the theory. Phil, thank you so much.